Prepare to embark on a culinary journey like no other with the Cosori Smart 1 2-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. This kitchen powerhouse is not just an appliance, it's a certified partner in your culinary endeavors, boasting an array of cutting-edge features, intuitive controls, and a commitment to healthier cooking. The Cosori Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is poised to revolutionize the way you cook, eat, and enjoy your favorite dishes. Here are the key features of Cosori's Smart 1 2-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo: Convection Rotisserie Dehydrator, a certified culinary revolution. Cooking simplified. Welcome to a new era of cooking simplicity. The Cosori Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is proudly certified for humans, offering a level of user-friendliness that requires no patience. Seamlessly navigate through culinary possibilities with ease, leaving the complexities behind and embracing a streamlined cooking experience that aligns perfectly with your modern lifestyle. Masterful convenience. The Smart Kitchen Assistant. Enter the world of culinary convenience with the Cosori Smart Kitchen Assistant. Utilize the power of your smartphone and voice control to effortlessly adjust settings on the air fryer toaster oven while you attend to other tasks. Imagine preheating your oven, adjusting cook times, or switching between functions, all at your fingertips, even when you're on the move. Crispy perfection. Every time. The convection function. Shorten your cooking journey with the innovative convection function. Harness the power of the convection fan for fast, even cooking that delivers delightfully crispy results. Whether it's a succulent rotisserie chicken or a batch of perfectly toasted bagels, this function is your ticket to culinary excellence that leaves taste buds tingling. Healthier cooking, irresistible flavor, less oil, more joy. Dive into a world of guilt-free indulgence. The Cosori Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo lets you air fry your favorite dishes with up to 85% less oil than traditional deep frying methods. The result: crispy, flavorful treats that are not only satisfying but also aligned with your commitment to healthier living. Say goodbye to excess oil and hello to a simpler, more wholesome cooking experience. Presets for culinary bliss. 12 functions, 0 complexity. Say farewell to the guesswork of cooking temperatures. The Cosori Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo offers an impressive array of 12 preset functions, each tailored to specific culinary delights. From toast to dehydrate, pizza to rotisserie, and beyond, your culinary desires are just a touch away. Enjoy culinary freedom without the fuss of temperature adjustments. Recipes at your fingertips. A culinary playground. Embark on a culinary exploration guided by the Cosori kitchen itself. Access a treasure trove of 100 original recipes and instructional videos directly from the Cosori kitchen. Discover new culinary horizons, master your favorites, and delight in perfect results every time. All within the Boasting app. Feast for all, a spacious culinary canvas. The Cosori Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo boasts an impressive 32-quart divided by 30-liter capacity, making it the perfect culinary companion for gatherings of 5 to 7 people. Whether it's a hearty rotisserie chicken, a family-sized pizza, or a batch of freshly baked cookies, this appliance delivers culinary perfection on a grand scale. Connectivity and efficiency. Wi-Fi and charging. Seamlessly connect to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network for optimal performance. Designed for use with 120 volts, 60 HZ outlets, the Cosori Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is your culinary ally in regions such as the US and Canada. With the Boasting app, unleash the full potential of this kitchen marvel and explore a world of culinary creativity. Healthier, faster, flawless, rapid heat circulation. Experience the magic of rapid heat circulation that cooks food quickly and evenly. Transform traditional deep-fried favorites into healthier versions with up to 85% less fat. Indulge in the crispy textures and irresistible flavors you love, while reaping the rewards of a mindful cooking approach. In a world where culinary innovation meets modern convenience, the Cosori Smart 1 2-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo reigns supreme. Elevate your cooking prowess, redefine your culinary boundaries, and embrace a healthier, more flavorful way of enjoying your favorite dishes. Your journey to culinary excellence begins here.